back to another video. Today we're gonna be fishing at a river in a park. I forgot the park name, but we're 4 hours south, I think. Yeah, south, and we're up here because Chase has a mountain biking race. But anyways, yeah, we came down here and got a little bit of fishing to do, and I've been making my own fishing lures, and here's one right here. And I'm making a lot of them, and you guys can buy them soon. Probably not yet, but after the video comes out, you should be able to buy them. But anyways, let's get to fishing. There's something right here. There's like something. Hey guys, so I'm just fishing here or whatever in this little like cove, and I'm getting like hit like hard. I don't know what it is. I only have one hook on this fake worm, so if they hit the end, you're not gonna catch it. But if it's a bass, which this is meant for bass, the bass will eat the whole thing and you'll get it. So this is probably a bluegill. Okay guys, we got one on the worm. Smallmouth! Smallmouth! Let's go! On the new worm! That's exactly why you should get these worms, guys. Right there.
What are the chances I pick this creek and he catches a smallmouth?
On my new worm that I made this the one.
That's awesome.
It kept hitting, and it wouldn't it felt hard too.
At least you know what's here now.
Look at that.
Cool.
We moved to a river. It's like a spot where it just stops and barely moves, then it goes to rapids again, so there's probably gonna be fish here. And we already saw frogs, bluegills, so let's get to fishing.
I think because this is darker. I like that better. That's cool. Man, did he fight good or what?
Yeah. I thought I had snag at first.
Don't hold him with 2 hands.
Oh yeah, that was...
I guess you catch a big fish.
That was...
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a big one. Oh crap. You want me to get it? It's like ones you catch on Lake Erie. Yeah, it is. Nice.
Nice one, huh?
He got another one on.
A bigger one.
That's a smallmouth. I think it is.
I'm bringing right up that slope from the ground. One I just saw.
Yeah. Yes. It's not bigger. It's like the same size. Mine might be bigger than that. Got another one. They'll scare all the fish. Got one. Oh, it's a bigger one. Same thing, but it's just bigger. Oh yeah. It's a nice one. Well, he swallowed it. Oh crap. No way, I got it. He swallowed that thing though. And he just ran on my foot. Why'd you say that was a catfish?
Because from the top, it looked like a little catfish. It's just a big chub. I'm telling you, dude, look, I cannot believe you left the spot. Look at that, another big one.
I got a little one.
There's a lot of big ones in here.